Mastering indefinite pronouns. The key to broaden your English expression. Hello everyone and welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to dive into a very exciting and essential topic, indefinite pronouns. This topic is part of our broader series on pronouns, under the Grammar Fundamentals. By the end of this video, you'll be much more comfortable using and understanding indefinite pronouns. So, let's get started. Indefinite pronouns, as the name implies, are pronouns that do not refer to a specific person, place, or thing. Unlike personal pronouns such as he, she, or it, which refer to specific things, indefinite pronouns refer to one or more unspecified objects, beings, or places. They're very useful when you want to be vague or general in your statements. Here is a list of some commonly used indefinite pronouns. As we go through them, try to get a feel for how they might be used in sentences. All, another, any, anybody, anyone, anything, each, everybody, everyone, everything, few, many, nobody, none, one, several, some, somebody, someone, something. Now that we've gone through the list, let's look at how we can use these indefinite pronouns in sentences. Is anybody home? I don't think anyone was listening to the lecture. Everybody loves a good book. Nobody knows the trouble I've seen. One must always think before speaking. These examples show you how indefinite pronouns can refer to non-specific entities, and how they add a certain level of generality to your statements. We've just gone through the wonderful world of indefinite pronouns. Remember, mastering these pronouns will help you become more fluent and expressive in English. You can now speak in more general terms about people, things, or places without specifying them. Keep practicing, because language learning is all about consistency. I hope this video has been helpful and enlightening. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll continue our exploration of the English language. Happy learning, and see you next time.